My Learning Modules is where personalized learning content helps you bridge skill gaps. Learning modules are on-demand, generated mini-courses tailored to your needs. Each module targets a specific skill at your current proficiency level. They're designed to move you from your current level to your desired level. You are able to request specific content, focus areas, or context that helps the module align with your specific need. Click Create New Module to begin. You may select to build a module that is based on your skill gaps in the skill matrix, or you may choose to create a learning module based on a resource you have saved in your My Resources page. Select a skill gap or resource. Keep in mind that you will only see skills you have evaluated where your desired proficiency exceeds your current level. Optionally, add context. What's your learning goal? How will you apply this? Click Generate Module and wait while PowerUp creates your personalized content. The module includes comprehensive learning content, examples, and practical guidance. After scanning the resource, if you decide you want to keep it in your library and continue to work on it, be sure to click Save Module at the top of the page. Once a module is saved, you can recall it from your Learning Module library. Click on any module to view its content. Read through the material at your own pace. The content is formatted with clear sections and examples. You can take notes externally if helpful. When you finish studying, click Mark as Complete. You will be prompted to write a brief reflection. What did you learn? How will you apply it? This reflection helps reinforce your learning. You'll earn experience points for completing the module. If your module was based on a specific skill, you may also choose to complete and re-evaluate the skill. This button will take you to the specific skill you are working on in the skill matrix. Do this step only if you feel you are ready to move up a level. Completed modules show a green checkmark badge. Use filters to view all modules, only in progress or only completed. Search by title to find specific modules quickly. Sort by date or skill to organize your learning library. Build your personal learning library with modules tailored exactly to your needs and goals.